people over 200, when you witness and observe something from lovingness, are already raising its calibrated level of consciousness measurably. So we found things that we considered adorable, and the fact that you consider it adorable, it would have been at 204, and now it'll jump to 310 or something, independently. And that same manifestation will be diagnosable by everyone around the world. That is a fact, resist. Wow. So don't you see what this means? That your lovingness by witnessing, see, when I say you don't need to go to fancy things, just witness the sacredness of all of existence. Approach all of love with reverence and goodwill. And by doing so, you're changing the world by virtue of the Heisenberg principle. So if we say the kitty's purr is adorable and loving, I don't know if kitty's purr was at 500 before we said it. Probably not. But it is now. So, therefore, the sheer observation, the higher the level of consciousness of the observer, the greater the impact on the observed. That we have literally been changing the calibrated levels of consciousness of much of society by the sheer observation of the work that we're doing collectively. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Oh, isn't that something, huh? So, everything we look at lovingly. Huh. Let's see how the Komodo dragon's making out. Well, I'm going to look at the Komodo dragon. He's just being what he is. God bless him, he's just being what he is. Being a good Komodo dragon. Of course you eat everything up. Komodo dragon, good calibrated 40. The adorable Komodo dragon calibrates over 45, 48, 47, 48. Seeing the lovability of the Komodo dragon is an expression of divinity's unfoldment of creation. So as we witness the unfoldment of creation and acknowledge that his source is divinity, we're already raising the level of all that is within this world. Wow. So this world is becoming that which we hold in mind. Just, wow. Look at all the power he walked around with and didn't know it, okay? So everything that we look at, forgive it for being what it is, witness the sacredness that it is an expression of evolution at some level of evolution, and it serves some ultimate purpose. So we stop hating it and see its intrinsic beauty. I mean, the Komodo dragon's an impressive animal. Impressive, you know. Last night, oh, I know where this came from. Last night we were watching alligators. We love the Nature Channel. If you want to learn a lot about spirituality, you just watch the Nature Channel, because you see in nature where you don't have any prejudices, the witnessing of phenomena that you won't see in humanity because you got too many upsides and downsides. But it was marvelous. Here's the hippopotamus and the alligators. And the alligators are on the beach, and the hippopotamus is also on the beach. But the hippopotamus has sort of a maternal, motherly instinct towards alligators. I mean, who could love an alligator but a hippopotamus? Now, everybody's afraid of alligators except hippopotamus. Hippopotamus comes over and nudges the alligator and often even licks him and makes sure that the alligator is comfortable. The alligator is twitching, and the hippo will push the alligator over until the alligator is happy. So here's the alligators all happy. The hippopotamus is like tending to them like a nice, they're all like mothers overlooking the babies here and nudging them. And imagine licking an alligator. Now there's love and acceptance. So the hippos love the alligators and nurture them and lick them and protect them and see to their comfort. Isn't that marvelous? It's sort of marvelous. But you don't see that on the Nature Channel. You see, you won't read that in the New York Times, I don't think. So we should be more like the hippopotamus then, and be sort of nurturing towards all that the world looks down at as homo horribilis.